Here at Fence Easier, we understand that big challenges people see when they look at doing their own fencing is a lot of hard work. They don't know how to do it, and they don't know where to go to get the technical support they need. With our patented attachment designs and our proven installation methods, that with the advent of the affordable gas-powered post pounders and pneumatic post pounders that are out there, we can help you solve just about every challenge that you can come across with whatever type of fence you're trying to build. You want an agricultural fence, you want a decorative fence, you want a pole fence. We can help you build your own very professional fence. You want a fence? We can help. We are Fence Easier. We're going to show you this morning how to put in your own agricultural fence, a wire fence, a woven wire fence. This is all the tools and parts we're going to need. We're going to have a 6.5 foot corner T-post. We're going to have two 5.5 foot brace posts. We're going to have a high tension sleeve. We're going to have our screw gun, our nuts and bolts. We're going to have our brace pieces, and we will have a gas-powered post pounder. Okay, we got our corners established. Let's go ahead and drive that corner exactly where we want it to be. If you're going to put on a high-tension sleeve, it's a sleeve designed so that you can put extra tight tension on your wires on a wire fence. Then you need to do it, and the next step, right after you set your corner post. Just drop it over the post. It doesn't need to be positioned. You can position that when you're ready to hang your wires. All right, now we need to establish the distance to our brace post. So we're going to lay our horizontals down so that they wrap around the corner post we just set. And then we're going to line that up with the line of our fence, and we're going to set our brace post right at the joint, right where the rivet is in our bolt-on flanges. This is truly the most technical part of your learning curve. Position your brace post or your second post from your corner post. Position it right at the hinge button on your horizontal brace. Okay, we're ready to set our brace posts. All right, we're ready to put in our bracing. So let's go ahead, and we always start with our angle brace first. So you go to the brace post and set the bottom of your angle brace right at the bottom, or even a little underground, but right at the bottom of your brace post. Then we're going to move on up and set the top of our brace, our angle brace. And that you should push the corner post out about an inch so that it's slightly leaning further away from your fence. Okay, then you set your brace post the same way on the other side of your corner. Set your brace post the bottom of your angle brace first, and then up to your corner post, pushing out just a little bit. Now you're ready to set your horizontal brace. That'll go above your angle brace. Line that up to where it goes in between the corner post and your brace post, and get that level for looks so that everything looks very pretty when you get done, and very square and very level. Take an extra minute there and your fence will look nicer. Just snap it on, run your bolt through, tighten your bolts up, and you are done. You have a very, very strong fence corner. Here we've tied a 3/4 ton pickup to it. We're stress testing it, pulling it. You're not going to add that much pressure when you're stretching wire as that pickup puts on there. This system is designed to be user-friendly, easy to learn the learning curve. You really, truly can put in your own fence, any type of wire fence, and we are here to help. We're here to help with tech support, help you get tools. We are Fence Easier.